It's getting hot. Let's have something to cool us down. Welcome back. Today we're creating the gin and tonic. Now, a lot of people may know this from casinos and just being a standard beverage that gets ordered from anyone that's walking around. But there is historical backing to the gin and tonic. Back in the 1840s, quinine, which is a big ingredient in tonic water, was used as an anti-malarial medication for British soldiers as well as natives of India. And quinine was served in a powder form. To make it more palatable, it was added to soda water, so the soldiers would be able to drink it and not feel as bitter of a taste, because quinine is extremely bitter. So by doing this, it's similar to, if you remember a few months ago, I did the Milano Torino, the Americano, and the Negroni. Think of it in the same way as taking the Milano Torino and lengthening it with soda water, club soda, to create the Americano. It tempered the bitterness. Same concept. Well, another thing that happened is, well, the gin that's now used in gin and tonic paired very well with the bitter tonic water. So through medicine, a classic was born. Let's make it. It's a very easy cocktail, and you could make it in a highball glass. I don't have them, unfortunately. Closest I would have would be an old-fashioned glass. I don't want to use that, so instead I'm going to use a Collins glass. And to this Collins glass, I'm going to use a Collins spear. Now, exactly how do I want to fill this up? The ideal ratio would be a 2-to-1 mixture of gin and tonic. Or actually, tonic to gin on a 2-to-1. So, for this, I'm going to grab my jigger. And what gin do I want to use? Any gin can work, truthfully. For me, I'm going to go Bombay Sapphire. Like Tanqueray, cool. Beefeater, awesome. Gordon's, cool. It all works. Hell, even if you want to use, say, Old Tom gin, like the Ransom I've used, go ahead and do that. 2 ounces of gin. Fresh bottle of tonic water with quinine. And I need 4 ounces of tonic water. If you want to do any garnishes for this, maybe cutting up some limes, maybe cucumber, and put them into very thin slices, add them to here, be a great addition, add a little bit of an extra kick in terms of either acidic or just an overall refreshing kick. But this is essentially the gin and tonic. Cheers. And actually, go grab me a straw. All the principles are together. Grab a straw, introduce, light stir, just to finish incorporating. And this is a gin and tonic. Cheers. The quinine's there, it's bitter, but it's not bracingly bitter, which is great. The gin plays well. The herbal notes, the juniper, some people think that gin tastes like a Christmas tree. I don't get that, but no, this, it works, and it's a good way to cool down, especially with the summer months that are ahead. It's going to be oppressively hot. Something quick, something easy. I like this. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, check the link down below to kick.co, where it has everything I use in the bar, from glassware to bar tools, everything else that I use. And of course, they are affiliate links, which you know how that works. Check all my socials as well down in the description below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.